Hey guys, it's Joshi, and today we are going to learn about increment and decrement operators, which we skipped in the last tutorial. Okay, so C includes two useful operators that simplifies two common operations. These are increment and decrement operators, which is none other than plus plus and minus minus. The operator plus plus tells its operand to add 1 to its value, while the minus minus tells its operand to decrease 1 from its value. Let's learn this by an example. So here you can see that I have already done hash include str.h void main, and let's declare any two variable. Okay, int a equal to 1 comma b. Okay, now there is a difference between the placement of the operator. There are two types of increment and decrement operators, and they are classified upon the position of their placement. The first one is postfix form, in which the operator is placed after the operand. So let's learn the postfix by printing it. Okay, so printf %d comma a plus plus, that's the postfix operand. Now let's compile and run this program by pressing F11, and don't forget to save your file. I've already done that. Now as you can see, 1 is printed. And of course, you will be having doubt why only 1 is printed even after we have incremented the value. Now let's do one thing. Let's print the value of a after the first printf. Okay, so where were we? Printf %d comma a. Okay, now let's compile and run this by pressing F11. That will do the both. Now let's just do one thing and enter a new line right over here. F11 again. So you can see that 2 is printed as an output. So that's the case with postfix operators. The operand is obtained before the increment or decrement operations. So for this case, first the value will be printed and then the value will be incremented. Now let's learn postfix decrement. Let's change the value of a to 2 and to postfix decrement the same way we did with the increment, that is a minus minus. Now let's press F11. As you can see here, that's 2 and that's 1. Okay, so that's one and the same. So now let's try our hands on with the prefix operator. Instead of a plus plus, we will be having plus plus a. So let's just change it. Now let's compile and run this by pressing F11 again. So here you can see that there is not a single difference between both the values. So that's the case with the prefix operands. The increment or decrement operation is performed before obtaining the value of the operand. So for this case, first the value will be incremented and then it will be displayed. Same is the case with subtraction. Now let's change the value of a to 2, that's already 2, and let's run this code once again by let's change minus minus a, and let's do that. So that's the same thing. Okay, so guys, that is a simple and sweet tutorial for today. If you like my tutorials, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, you guys are great.